how to make a character in Character.AI. So for that, you need to just log into your account, and after that you need to click on this option of create at the bottom center. After that, you would have to name this particular character. What is it that you want to name it? So I'm going to name it Naruto. After that, I will just click on next, and now you can upload a picture of Naruto, or you could upload picture of that particular character that you have just given name to. Just simply click on it and you would be able to add a photo of it. Then simply click on next. After that, you can add greetings to it. It is something that the character will say as soon as someone opens this character up. You can make this character public, private, or unlisted. Suppose you make it public, and other people could also use this particular character of yours that you have created. So in that case, greetings will be the one that you have just given this particular character to. So suppose I say and click on next, then I'm given the choice to choose whether I want this particular character to be public, unlisted, or private. I'm keeping it private for now. If you keep it public, then people will be able to search it up and they will also be able to use this particular character. Then simply click on next, and then some more options are given to you. Whether you want this particular character to use image generation, then just simply check this mark, and also you can add subtitle or description or character definition. In case if you want to define this particular character in a more detailed way, you can simply add the definition, and after that click on create. Wait for it to load, and this character will come up with the greetings that you have just given. And this is how you create characters on Character.AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.